Holy cow, can you believe this? It's like deja vu all over again. More climate change here in Richmond, Virginia. Certainly climate change for the worse. It's 20 degrees at 6:30 in the morning, January 30th. It's starting to snow hard.
Total snow accumulation from this weekend storm system could come in between 8 and 14 inches. Your complete forecast is
about 9 o'clock in Richmond, Virginia. It's been snowing very hard for the last hour and a half and is really coming down. It's coming up on 12 noon now, and I'm not sure I've ever seen it snowing quite this hard at this house. It's almost a whiteout condition that you may be able to see a little bit of in this video. How many inches?
Good Lord. I can't see it. A little over 6.
This snow warrior always keeps the birds in mind. It's about 1 o'clock p.m. now, and the snow is definitely starting to let up some. Don't know how much we've got left, but know there's a big mess waiting to be cleaned up once everything finishes. It's just about 2 o'clock in the afternoon now, and as you can probably see, it's snowing pretty hard again. I thought this thing was winding down about an hour or so ago, but it looks like it's instead of winding down, it's winding up. It's been just 3 hours since the last time we swept off this deck, and it looks like a good another 3 inches or so has fallen in this last 3 hours. Light and fluffy the snow is it can literally be swept off of a surface. I'm sure it won't be this light and fluffy tomorrow when I'm trying to dig out. For the unofficial 3 o'clock measurement, we are seeing how much?
9.5.
9.5 inches. That's about as much as we got in the December storm. And look who showed up in the middle of the snowstorm, the neighborhood hawk. Well, it's Sunday morning, just over 24 hours after the storm began, and clearly the storm is over with, but it is about 10 degrees and a heck of a lot of snow and a big cleanup coming. Roughly 2 hours later, a storm like this and a cleanup job like this kind of convinces you you've got a little bit left in the old gas tank. Sure is a hard way to work up a good appetite, but the job is done again, and hopefully this is the end of snow for this winter. I think I've had enough. I think I've proven to myself I've got plenty left in the tank. Bring on some of that warm weather.